Day trading can be a lucrative venture, but it requires discipline, knowledge, and strategy. To start, it's essential to understand the fundamentals of the market. Familiarize yourself with different trading investments such as stocks, bonds, options, forex, to identify what aligns with your interests. Develop a solid trading plan that outlines your goals, risk tolerance, and strategies. All right? This plan should include entry and exit points. I'll put it all in the description, as well as criteria for selecting trades. Successful day traders often focus on high volatility stocks, as these provide the potential for significant price movements within a single day. Utilize technical analysis tools to help you make informed decisions. Charts and indicators like moving averages, volumes provide insights to market trends and price action. So, start with a practice account to hone in on your skills, without the risk of real money. All right. Now, once you begin feeling confident, then you could use a real account slowly. Always use stop loss orders to manage risk and to protect your investment. Lastly, maintain discipline and avoid sticking to emotional trading. Don't be emotional when you trade at all. It's gonna put you in a wrong way, and that's it. Everything else I want to say, I put it in the description.